So the name of the project is Plant Connect, which is a sort of kind of a human-plant interface system exploring kind of, let's say, alternative models of human-plant interaction and communication. So you come in and there's a sensor on top that measures carbon dioxide levels when you breathe or sing. So you can just sort of breathe into the sensor, and the plants will essentially respond sort of like talk.
And they have openings on the top where they'll receive the light from the grow lights, which, like Carla said, will kind of trigger this photosynthesis that makes them sing back to you.
So all of that is a sort of this kind of sort of, like I said, a kind of an alternative sort of experience or model for human-plant interaction. That's the basic idea.
Hidden Layer, the piece that I'm working on for ISEA, is a large-scale interactive installation that focuses on the sort of hidden networks and data flows that constantly surround us. So in 2011, I co-founded an artist collective called Exurb, and so in that group, we put together a piece called Topologies at the Lawndale Arts Center. And this piece was basically a large grid that was overhead. And so when you walked into the space, you're kind of confronted with this large sort of topographical mesh or map. And basically you could go up and select different data sets, and then that would drive the sort of independent movements on the vertical axis. So that would kind of create this sort of map or landscape. With this current piece that I'm working on for ISEA, I'm really trying to explore sort of the similar concepts, but I think I'm really focusing more on different data and really focusing on getting the data from that specific site and using that data to kind of understand the space in a different way.
So at ISEA, we are further developing an existing project or an ongoing project into the materiality of networks and internet materiality, if you will, which was initially developed in 2015, which is essentially developing digital data funerals, which is a symbolic ritual of erasure. And so here at ISEA, we are specifically investigating the local context of cyberbullying and hidden cameras that then has created an economy of online sharing of, let's say, hidden camera porn. And so this is what we are looking into here and developing digital data funerals for these instances.
I'm here with my project African Robots. African Robots is a project where I collaborate with wire artists in Southern Africa who make three-dimensional forms out of common hardware wire. I've taken the project to Brazil before and worked with street wire artists there. And in Gwangju, I came here looking for local collaborators to make an animated robot creature. So we worked together and we created an octopus, the local Nakji dish. And this is a much larger octopus that might eat you rather than you eating it. It's called anthropophagic octopus, and anthropophagy is a concept from Brazil around how non-Western cultures consume culture from the West and make it part of their own culture. So this octopus takes in many components, things that we found in the streets like plastic bottles, found electronics, sound devices that we've bought, and it makes this hybrid cultural collaborative art piece.